This is Bhairvisha, and you know that I am into tarot reading. I do provide numerology readings. I am a numerologist as well. That is, I am a tarot reader, and I have various talents and skills that I think I can provide, or as a contribution be there for people through my profession. So right now we are doing the series of Lenormand cards and understanding it. So we go further. You already know certain things if you are already doing these exercises or jotting down the points that we mentioned. Next card, which is card number 12, is birds, as in Lenormand cards. In some decks, it is also represented as owl. And Lenormand has 2 birds at least. I have seen some decks they have more, but usually it's only 2 birds or 2 owls. So this is something very simplistic that you would remember. It may mean 2 of something. It can mean uncle and auntie. It can mean 2 friends. Anything in pair, it can mean that. Basically, this card is of stresses. It is about too much talking. It can be about anxiety. These are upsets. Which, of course, depending on the surrounding cards, depends on the longevity or short term, but basically on its own or in general, it is a short term upset. It can mean sorrow. It can mean anxiety. I think I said that already. It can mean too much talking, that is chatterboxes. It can mean announcements. So basically this card is about stresses and upset, and surrounding cards may make it short term, long term. The upset is close by or far away. All these things are important to note. However, you can write down the basic meanings of what I gave you as in Lenormand. See you for the next card.